Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
The government of India took a step that they announced that from 15th of December international commercial operations will commence. But unfortunately due to this new variant, now a decision has been taken that government of India will decide later on about the date when international operations will take place. So far the international commercial operations, scheduled operations which were supposed to be starting from 15th of December have been kept in abeyance by the government of India. So we will have to wait the further direction in the matter. We have approved slots. We have as of now approved 27 slots. Some belong to SCAT Airlines, some belong to Astana Airlines. Both are operating from Almaty. But it will simply depend what is the COVID situation, how COVID is going to take shape in the world around. So the slots we have given is, first slot has been given for 13th of December.